the dipper. You're square. You're square, you're non. Square, non-square. If you do not square, you dip first. If you do not square, you dip first. So you hit. That means you're going to dip right away. Da-da-da-da-da-da. The other set. Da-da-da-da-da-da. So it's staggered, okay? You don't square, you dip. You're a dip. All right, ready? Let's take it from down. Ready? Ready, go, Don. And we're all going to hit. Boom. Okay, do it again. But you got to be on your toes until you turn. When you turn, you drop. Okay, so here we go. 5, 6, 7, and. Da 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 da. Drop. Then it goes side, side, flip, forward, hip, side, side, flip, forward, hip. Do it again.
I'm non-square.
Ready? The second one of this. The question? Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Turn back, people. Hip. Side, side, flip, and hip. Side, side, flip, and stop. First two. From the two of Patia. That's right. Hey. Here, from here. From the beginning, ladies. Thank you. The two steps. Okay, here we go.
Yeah. Ready?
It's going to go here, forward, right arm up, flip, left arm, forward, right arm, flip again, left arm, forward, right arm, flip. The girl that's in front is going to square the girl that's got her back to you, okay? The girl standing still is going to ami. The girl in the front is going to keep that same rhythm. That same ba-da-da-da rhythm. Ready? 5, 6, here we go. Go. If you are naked, you're going to turn to the clock. It's four beats, so and then you're going to change hands. So it's going to go da 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 change da 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 da. Okay? From the top, from the Patia top.
Yeah.
Forward, right. Left, forward, right. Okay, let's go. Right arm up. Right, 2, 3, 4. Then your hands get down and around, out, and a down and around, out. So it goes. Right up, 2, 3, 4. Down and around, and down and around, and. Okay. Yep. Right arm up high here, and then step together, step and step together, step, turn, back. Ease forward. Okay, that much.
I know you're looking all right.
We're going to take it from side to side, shoulder to shoulder.
You all right?
Right there.
Go your mommy. Fix it. Come on, bye.
Ready? Which means Megan's going to do an Omni shuffle into Celeste's line. You're going to go into their line. You're going to get into their line. Don't change lines yet. No, here. Boom. No, just one. Boom. And then da 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 da. Okay? Take it from the shoulders. Take it from the shoulders.